It's a great pleasure to be here today as we open another of the government's telecentres at Lomaivuna High School. Vinakabalevu for your warm welcome. This is, as I've said, this is the second telecentre I'm opening this week. The first was on Monday at Lomaivuna Secondary School in Namosi. I'm personally very proud of these telecentres. They play a key role in my government's work to empower all Fijians by providing free access to one of the great advances of the modern age, the internet. It wasn't long ago that computers and the internet were only for wealthier people in our towns and cities. The opportunity to benefit from the information revolution was for them and not for the ordinary people. We don't want that to continue. This government doesn't want that to continue anymore. Every Fijian deserves equal access to the benefits of technology. That's why my government is bridging the digital divide between the rich and poor and the urban and the rural. As a direct result of this initiative, more Fijians now have access to computers and the internet than ever before. Every time I open another telecentres, hundreds, if not thousands, of Fijians are plugged into Fiji's telecommunications revolution. At Lomaivuna, more than 400 students and 3,000 members of the local community will have access to this facility. What a difference this will make, especially for those who will be gaining access to a computer and the internet for the first time. You will join the ranks of close to 20,000 Fijians who are already using 10 community telecentres around the country. By the end of the year, 60,000 Fijians, including 5,000 students, will have access to the internet at more than 20 telecentres around Fiji. This facility will be used by school children during school hours and by the rest of the community after hours and on weekends. You will be able to connect with friends and family in Fiji and abroad, search for jobs, do schoolwork, research, print, scan and photocopy. The opportunities really are endless.
Akan medan tolangan at Telecentre ko kaya value me meda kina nagutas sa project wag naktanga value ni remisol so na computer me kimi uli talangan na ka internet we wag naktanga value na matito nagunandra linga sul kamay bikimen na langan ni uli Lomaivuna High School na bortang me na internet meron kimen takaw kinan ng research na project. Baba nagtagira nga value na matinto na.
Tumanda kimamini tumtum kim sambu babi ni nang tasara na kinasama in golongan ng telecentre. Na ukira sara value na ngoni buli ni mami na lui kimami. Iliwer ndo ngale sarchu na visit lele wisu no suri meli takamana nondra project so takana nondra research. Kami sama bina wali wana matintu kuni saku tamay na telecentre Lomaivuna meron ni bukiran na ni mami buli mersa kakun lakan ni na kafi korle busu mersa takabangan on research Lomaivuna.